My name is Carol. I'm visiting from New Jersey. The service is what brings us back to this particular resort time and time again. They are exceptionally attentive. Every single individual is like family to us. Everyone greets us like family. We love the individuals, Alberto and Carlos and Ephraim and Luis, and everybody is family to us. They treat us wonderfully. The experience, what brings us back time and time again, is the weather, the people, the view. We love to relax, and you can relax as much as you want, and you can be as active as you want, as much as you want. We love going to Bella, California the day we arrive, and it's the last restaurant that we go to before we head home. What we love about Bella is that you have a spectacular view in the evening. You can have dinner, a bottle of wine, and you can watch the cruise ships leaving the port with all their lights on in the dead of night, and it's just a spectacular view. Our favorite dish at Bella, California is the pizza. It's fabulous. The margarita pizza is amazing. Every single time we come to Cabo, we have to have pizza. The new renovations are spectacular. We are very pleased the way it came out. We are enjoying the pools, the jacuzzis, the extra additional chair space, the service. It's wonderful. Absolutely vote for Villa del Palmar here in Cabo San Lucas. It's a fabulous place to come and visit. Absolutely need to come.